Affiliate marketing is the biggest way to make money online on the internet today. And even here at do090.com, we value affiliate marketing so much that we have made it special. Oh yes! You can make over 50,000 Naira a week through affiliate marketing. I will show you how. I know you are so eager to learn how it works. Now, let's dive into it. As you already know, do090.com is not an app that will take you much to convince someone to join, because we offer all that people need most in the world we live in today. For example, we sell the cheapest airtime and data plans, and you can also earn while other users are buying. So if you have a friend, enemy, or fan which you can tell to come join do090.com, and he or she does, you get paid. And the good thing is, even the person you are referring also get paid a sign-up bonus too. But that's only if the person you referred signs up via your referral link or your referral promo code. If the person signed up behind your back without using your link or promo code, then the person won't be getting paid the sign-up bonus at all. Good news, right? Yes. That catch is designed to help you convince your referred person on why he or she should sign up via your referral link or promo code. And I'm glad to let you know that if you are a public figure or have a huge fan base, or you are a content creator, then just chat with us on live chat and we will increase your earning amount per person you refer, giving you more profitability. You won't regret it. And I'm also happy to inform you that you can withdraw your earnings directly into your bank account, which you have linked to your profile. Withdrawals are processed instantly and are paid directly into your bank account. Now, how do you get your own referral link and promo code? I will show you how. Just sign up or log in to your dashboard, then click on the Earn button. That will take you to the Refer and Earn page. Please scroll through the page and read everything carefully. Copy your account refer link and promo code from the page. You can also change your referral promo code to something more unique by double-clicking on it, then edit, then double-click on it again to save, just as in the example seen on the screen. Then you can now mention your new promo code in your contents, blog articles or videos on all social media and get your fans to join while you earn massively. So simple. Don't forget, as I said before, that if you have a huge fan base or followers, then you can contact us for increment of the amount you earn per person you refer. We are available 24/7 to help you out on anything you need. Just click on the live chat icon floating on the corner of the page. You can use the form at the bottom of this page as shown on the screen to request withdrawals, and it will be paid into your account instantly without delays. Now, go get started. Enjoy affiliate marketing on do090.com.